Best Car Odor Eliminator sprays remove stubborn smells, refresh interiors, improve driving comfort, and maintain a cleaner, more pleasant vehicle environment. My today's video is about top 5 Best Car Odor Eliminator sprays that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Chemical Guy's Air_300 New Car Scent. Chemical Guy's New Car Smell Air Freshener delivers an impressively realistic, fresh off-the-lot scent that instantly upgrades your driving experience. Designed with active odor eliminators, this premium spray doesn't just mask unpleasant smells. It works quickly to neutralize odors from food, pets, smoke, and daily use. The luxurious leather-inspired fragrance creates a clean, upscale atmosphere that makes every ride feel more refined and enjoyable. One of the biggest advantages of this air freshener is its versatility. Beyond vehicles, it performs exceptionally well in garages, offices, carpets, upholstery, boats, and even hotel rooms, leaving spaces smelling crisp and refreshed. The long-lasting formula helps maintain that new car feeling over time without becoming overpowering. Chemical Guys has built a strong reputation among car enthusiasts for producing high-quality detailing products, and this scent spray lives up to that standard. For drivers seeking a premium fragrance with effective odor-fighting performance, this air freshener is an excellent addition to any car care routine. Now our second product is Ozium 4.5 ounces Odor Eliminating Gel. Ozium Odor Eliminating Gel stands out as a powerful solution for removing stubborn smoke smells and everyday odors from both small and large spaces. Unlike ordinary air fresheners that simply cover up bad smells, this gel works to neutralize unpleasant odors at the source, making rooms, cars, closets, and trash areas feel noticeably cleaner and fresher. Its compact and discreet design makes placement easy almost anywhere without drawing attention. The adjustable lid is a practical feature, allowing users to control the fragrance intensity based on personal preference or room size. Whether used in a vehicle, bathroom, gym bag, or musty closet, the gel provides long-lasting freshness without becoming overwhelming. Another highlight is the variety of scent options available, including original, new car smell, carbon black, and outdoor essence, giving users flexibility to match their preferred atmosphere. Overall, Ozium Gel is a reliable, low-maintenance odor eliminator that combines effectiveness, convenience, and customizable fragrance control in one compact package. Our third product is Armor All Smoke X Car Air Freshener. Smoke X Air Freshener delivers impressive odor-fighting performance for drivers who want a cleaner, fresher interior without extra effort. Powered by patented odor elimination technology, it goes beyond masking smells by actively targeting stubborn smoke odors and other lingering unpleasant scents trapped inside the vehicle. The fogger system works quickly through the car's vents and interior, helping refresh hard-to-reach areas that standard air fresheners often miss. One of its biggest strengths is convenience. The fast and easy application makes it ideal for busy car owners, college students, or anyone needing a quick interior refresh. The Midnight Air scent provides a clean, modern fragrance that feels smooth and refreshing without being overpowering, creating a more enjoyable driving experience. Beyond vehicles, these air fresheners are versatile enough for dorm rooms, bathrooms, closets, and small living spaces, making them a practical gift option as well. Overall, Smoke X combines strong odor elimination, ease of use, and long-lasting freshness in one highly effective package. Now number 4, Griot's Garage Odor Neutralizing Leather Cleaner. This leather cleaner delivers outstanding deep cleaning performance for drivers who want to restore and maintain a fresh-looking vehicle interior. Its advanced formula penetrates deep into leather and vinyl surfaces, effectively lifting embedded dirt, stains, grime, and lingering odors that ordinary cleaners often leave behind. The result is a noticeably cleaner, softer, and more refreshed interior. With a like-new appearance. One of the standout features is its pH-balanced formula, which provides strong cleaning power while remaining gentle on delicate aniline and pigmented leather surfaces. Unlike harsh cleaners that may dry out or damage materials over time, this product safely preserves the natural texture and finish of your seats, dashboards, and door panels. The odor neutralizing capability is equally impressive. Rather than simply covering unpleasant smells, it targets odors at the source for longer-lasting freshness. Its versatility across multiple interior surfaces makes it a practical all-in-one solution for car care enthusiasts. Overall, this cleaner combines effective stain removal, odor elimination, and leather-safe protection in one premium detailing product. And our last choice is Vest Bulletproof Vest Odor Eliminator Spray. This odor eliminator spray is specifically designed for demanding duty gear environments, delivering reliable performance where standard fresheners often fail. Instead of masking unpleasant smells, it actively neutralizes sweat, smoke, and long-shift odors at the source, helping tactical equipment stay fresher after intense daily use. Its versatility is a major advantage. The formula works effectively on vest carriers, plate carriers, duty boots, uniforms, gym bags, patrol car fabrics, lockers, and even K9 gear, making it a practical all-in-one solution for professionals in high-performance environments. The quick spray and dry application is simple and convenient, requiring no rinsing or complicated maintenance routines, which is ideal for post-shift cleanup or training days. Another standout feature is its non-toxic, gear-safe formula. It dries clear, resists staining, and is compatible with common tactical fabrics and uniform materials, ensuring long-term usability without damaging equipment. Developed by a police officer for real-world duty conditions, this spray offers dependable odor control tailored for law enforcement, military, EMS, firefighters, and security professionals. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.